Best deals.
1. Fry pan. Has a smooth finish and a flat base to help provide even heat distribution for improved cooking and frying, even on grills, stoves or induction cooktops. This pre-seasoned cast iron frying pan is designed for perfect omelets, tadka, sautéing, and everyday cooking. Made without enamel or chemical coatings, it offers a naturally non-toxic and healthy cooking surface. This heavy-duty cast iron pan ensures excellent heat retention and even cooking. This cast iron cookware is seasoned naturally with 100% vegetable oil, offering a safe and chemical-free cooking surface. The natural seasoning leaches small amounts of iron into your food. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Puttu Maker. Steam multiple servings at once, ideal for large families or gatherings. Combines multiple cooking functions in one unit, reducing kitchen clutter. Made from high-grade stainless steel that's rust and corrosion resistant for long-lasting use. Provides safe handling, even when steaming multiple dishes. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cooker. Comes with an extra thick body that helps in cooking the food quickly and evenly. The beautiful, durable black finish given by 60 microns thick hard anodizing has two benefits. It makes the pressure cooker absorb heat faster, making it more energy efficient. And your pressure cooker stays looking new for years. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Paneer Maker. Made from high quality, rust resistant, and food safe stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. Designed to give you uniformly shaped and compact blocks of paneer or tofu for professional-looking results. Features a user-friendly lid and base design for easy assembly and cleaning. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Container. The grease container is equipped with a removable fine filter. It can filter the particles to make cooking oil reusable and provide convenient storage. The lid prevents dust from falling into the oil. The strainer can effectively filter fine particles. Ideally used for ghee, oil, curd, milk, sugar, liquid and spices. It is made of stainless steel, which gives them a bright and elegant look. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Storage box. Superior sealing mechanics and preservation technologies extend the shelf life of vegetables and fruits in the refrigerator by up to 2 weeks, revolutionizing food storage practices. The integrated drain basket effortlessly strains excess water from produce, preserving its crispness and preventing spoilage. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage bags. Ultimate protection from moisture. Ensure your grains remain fresh and dry with the moisture-proof storage bag for grain. Designed to create a perfect barrier against air and pests. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Organizer. This pull-out cabinet organizer requires minimal drilling for a secure and lasting fit. Simply follow the included instructions for a quick and sturdy setup in your cabinet. Built with a durable damping guide rail, this pull-out cabinet organizer glides smoothly and quietly, withstanding up to 40,000 cycles for dependable performance. Perfect for organizing kitchen, pantry, or bathroom items, this slide-out drawer keeps everything neatly contained and easy to reach. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cookpot. Multipurpose cookware set featuring rice strainer, idli plates, and steamer with glass lid. Perfect for cooking rice, idlis, and steaming vegetables. Made from high-quality stainless steel with triple base for efficient heat distribution, includes heat-resistant silicone handles for safe handling, 4-liter capacity with 22 cm diameter and 27 cm height, ideal for family cooking needs with multiple steaming layers. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Oil strainer. Compact kitchen container perfect for storing and reusing cooking oil. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Storage drawer. Organize your essentials easily with this 5-tier modular storage cabinet, ideal for clothes, toys, kitchen items, toiletries, stationery and more. Heavy-duty plastic built for daily use, made from durable, long-lasting plastic, designed to withstand regular use without bending, cracking or fading. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Grill pan. Made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. It is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cookware. Extra thick 3 mm tri-ply stainless steel, food will not stick and burn even with less oil. Stay cool stainless steel handles, designed for comfortable handling even when the pan is hot. Elegant, food grade, extra thick blade with stay cool handle. Stainless steel rivets, will not loosen. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Jar. Made with durable heat-resistant borosilicate glass, these airtight kitchen storage containers are perfect for storing spices, herbs, seeds, dry fruits, tea, coffee, and masala while keeping contents fresh and moisture-free. High-quality borosilicate glass container can safely handle hot and cold temperatures. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Spin mop. Has a microfiber mop head which is designed to pick up liquid, oil, dirt, dust, hair, and grime on all hard flow surfaces, ensuring a thorough and effective clean every time. The handle of the spin mop features an easy ring puller that allows you to wring out excess water without bending or straining your back. Plus, it gives you complete control over water release. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Tea maker. It is perfect for making fresh French coffee, tea, espresso, cold brew, or even latte. It is an ideal gift for coffee and tea lovers. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Strainer. Is designed for deep frying, puri frying, and other cooking tasks, making it an essential kitchen tool for professional chefs and home cooks alike. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this oil strainer is rust resistant. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Storage basket. Store kitchen utensils, snacks, pots, and cleaning supplies in one place. This basket helps you easily organize your kitchen, pantry, or bathroom. Perfect for under-sink organization, pantry storage, or as a snack holder. It fits anywhere and makes your space look clean and tidy. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cutlery cleaner. Ideal for cleaning chef's knives, paring knives, bread knives, steak knives, forks, spoons, and other kitchen utensils with ease. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Chopper. Built-in chop bowl lets you cut foods directly into the 650 ml collection tray without the mess of a knife and cutting board. Only press the food slicer for perfect processing. This multi-purpose chopper is portable and compact enough for all kitchens large or small. The chopping blades are made of heavy-duty stainless steel that won't bend or rust. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Strainer pot. Ideal for large families, festive feasts, or bulk meal preps. Boil pasta, steam veggies, or cook rice for a crowd. Built tough with 304 grade stainless steel, premium, food-safe construction that resists rust, stains, and warping for safe, long-lasting performance. Tempered glass laid with steam vent, keep an eye on your food while locking in heat. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Tawa. Tough and durable, will not pit, tarnish or corrode and will stay looking new for years. It is preferred for heavy gauge, and a good balance that makes cooking easy and the results delicious. The stainless steel handle is stay cool and comfortable. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Blender. It has 2 speed settings, a pulse function, and an extract program for perfect nutrient extraction every time. The 1000W blender features a spacious and durable extra-large Trutton pitcher, offering ample capacity for bulk blending and ensuring strength for full-sized extractions and hot liquids, perfect for preparing large quantities of soups and other dishes with ease. Perfect for blending smoothies, milkshakes, nut butter, idli batter, and grinding spices and coffee beans, adding versatility to your kitchen. The 1000-watt motor delivers exceptional blending power while operating quietly, making it perfect for home and commercial use. With a speed of 22,000 rpm, the blender provides an impressive blending experience, ensuring smooth and consistent results. This innovative design preserves nutrients during blending for healthier beverages and meals, featuring an easy twist extractor blade and new easy grip handles that ensure a secure, leak-proof seal. Turn your blending jar into a travel-friendly container, making it easy to take your creations with you. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Saucepan. It has a strong, stay-cool plastic handle fixed on sturdy stainless steel bracket. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Dosa maker. Compact and portable design seamlessly fits in any kitchen space. Automatic safety cutoff feature provides added protection after 3 minutes of idle time. Powerful 1600W performance guarantees swift and efficient cooking. Perfect for dosa enthusiasts seeking convenience, speed, and exceptional results. Quick select for dosa quality and thickness. Craft flawless dosas in just 1 minute with rapid functionality. Easy cooking time control. Now with just one click, you can have multiple dosas that are crispy and crunchy. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Soap container. Is very leak-proof and ensures that it can't be opened unintentionally. Even if you throw the bag with the soap box around, you don't have to worry about the soap escaping. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Mini electric chopper. USB rechargeable electric food chopper allows you to quickly and easily chop fruits and vegetables, making it simpler than ever for busy moms to incorporate fresh, nutritious ingredients into their family's meals. With a powerful 45W motor and sharp stainless steel blades, a mini USB chopper processes ingredients in just 30 to 60 seconds. Spend less time in the kitchen and more quality time with your family. Mini electric chopper is incredibly easy to use. Just add your ingredients, secure the lid, and press the on button. Minimize your meal prep stress and enjoy more time with your loved ones. Mini food chopper is lightweight and travel-friendly, fitting seamlessly into your busy mom lifestyle. Take it on the go for picnics, vacations, or even to work for quick and healthy snacks. Rechargeable chopper is designed with busy moms in mind. The bowl and blades are top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time with your family. Its space-saving build makes it especially suitable for small or modular kitchens. Equipped with an ergonomic, ensures chopping is quicker, smoother, and more efficient every time. Dice onions, mince garlic, chop herbs, nuts, and soft vegetables evenly, uniform cuts every time for curries, salads, chutneys, and everyday Indian cooking. Easy to disassemble and clean, ensuring safe and hassle-free cleaning after every use. This portable food mini chopper is made of food-grade PP and ABS material, BPA, free, 304 stainless steel blade is sturdy, durable and can cut ingredients efficiently. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Sandwich maker is the perfect appliance for Indian homes. With interchangeable plates for waffles, sandwiches, and grilling, you can prepare breakfast, snacks, or quick meals in minutes. A versatile must-have sandwich machine for every kitchen. Easily switch between sandwich, waffle, and grill plates to suit your mood. The non-stick coated plates of Griller Sandwich Maker ensure even cooking and easy food release, no oil or mess. Whether it's a desi masala toast, waffle, sandwich, or aloo tikki grill, cook like a pro at home. Equipped with a robust 750-watt heating element, the toaster sandwich maker ensures rapid preheating and uniform cooking through its dual-sided heating system. The integrated automatic temperature control maintains optimal heat levels for consistent results across all recipes. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Duster. Equipped with unique cleaning head, designed to clean ceiling fan without using ladder, walls, baseboards, moldings, windows, blinds, tile, floor. Up to 62.5 inches, 159 centimeters long, 8 inches wide fits most indoor ceiling fan Balde. No more ladders or chair to clean your ceiling fan. Also for those hard to reach spider webs in the corner ceiling areas. Refills are available at our store. The chenille replacement head model is designated QAE029, the microfiber pad model is designated QAE030. Use a microfiber mop to remove stains without harming surfaces. Excellent for cleaning washable wallpaper, baseboards, woodwork, doors, wall coverings, and baseboards. Use a microfiber mop to keep your floors dust-free and spotless. Or clean windows before dusting them. Use on any flat surface as possible, similar to windows, vinyl, laminate, hardwood, and tile floors. A thick rubber blade won't leave smudges and won't scratch your tiles or windows. Flow, 3-in-1 cleaning tool. Excellent 2024 home gadgets cleaning supplies for household cleaning. The flexible, bendable duster head can be adjusted to multiple angles, making it easy to clean around corners, behind furniture, and other awkward spaces. Made with soft microfiber material that effectively attracts and traps dust, dirt, and allergens without scratching delicate surfaces or spreading particles into the air. Ideal for dusting ceiling fans, cobwebs, bookshelves, blinds, air vents, light fixtures, and various household surfaces throughout your home. The detachable duster head can be easily removed for cleaning and reuse, whilst the lightweight construction ensures comfortable handling during extended cleaning sessions. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Organizer. This versatile storage solution is not limited to under-bed storage. A shoe organizer under bed can also be used under your closet storage or sofa. It accommodates various items such as clothing, shoes, books, toys, and more, ensuring an organized and clutter-free living space while maximizing your available storage space. The transparent top makes it easy to quickly identify what's inside your storage. To totally keep the dust, humidity or dirty out, the under-bed rolling storage designed with closed dual zip-up laid in quality non-woven fabric. Moreover, your kitten and dog can no longer make a mess under your bed. With the all-in-one under-bed organizer, you needn't worry for finding separately dust bag. Under-bed shoe storage features a user-friendly design with 360-degree silent rotation wheels, making it effortless to pull out and slide under your bed. It comes with 3 sturdy handles for easy maneuverability. The wheels are detachable, allowing you to use it independently in your closet if desired. Under-bed storage containers dimensions, 78 x 44 x 13 cm, designed specifically to fit most under-bed spaces. These under-bed storage bins are versatile and can be used under beds, in closets, on shelves, or beneath sofas. They are an excellent choice for bedrooms, dorms, basements, and more. The under-bed storage bins is made of a sturdy metal frame with a transparent lid, allowing you to easily locate items at a glance while preventing dust buildup. It enables effortless access to your desired items. Product link is given in the 30th link.